What's up TNS family, welcome back to our channel. It's your fave girl Sera.
It's your boy Tuxx. It's your boy Nigel.
Hi guys, it's Sera.
Okay guys, so we have Nigel and Sera down from Brisbane here with us, and we came to the AB cafe to get some pies. We're about to show them what Melbourne's about. So I got a potato top pie.
I got a big potato top pie.
I got a sausage roll.
Steak and cheese pie. Hey.
Yes, and we're all gonna taste it. If you haven't been to AB, check them out. The description is in
description box.
Wow. They're based out in Lavington, so make sure you check them out. Like, they've literally got the best pies. So everyone taste the food and then rate it.
Let's go.
It's the rating for me. Boy, it smells so good. Sorry, I just spit out my pie.
Oh, it's busted up. Busted.
Busted ass. So good.
Oi, that's really good.
You got me.
I won't be able to hold my tummy in. That is so good. I wanted the small one, the minis, because the big ones are too messy.
Okay.
Guys, how did your ones taste?
No, it's so yummy. It's probably like the best.
Yeah? You heard it here first, guys. She said it's the best. Show it.
It's busted up. It's so good.
How's your one? Okay guys, so we're actually off to watch our brother's game. What's it?
You got a big game today.
They got a big game today. So they're versing the first team on the ladder, which is Unicorns. But I hope Endeavour wins.
Yeah. Today is the day. Hills, you can do it.
I rate it 8. I rated it 8. That was good. What do you rate it?
Big 8 from me too.
You too? Sia? What do you rate your pie?
9.5.
Hi. So?
9.
A 9. See fam? This is the joint. You gotta come here. AB. Make sure you come here. Okay, we're gonna go now.
So we're here guys at Melbourne Unicorns field. It's a nice field, eh?
Yeah, it's a nice field. It's alright actually.
And you guys can see the sun, but it's actually
It's really cold. If you sit in the shade like where Julie is, it's so cold.
So yeah, now we're just waiting for
What's his team? Oh my goodness. So nervous for them. So they're, what's his team sitting second? Is that right? Okay, I might be, I thought Gua said second.
Oh, that's good.
Or Pote said second.
Okay, so yeah.
If I'm wrong, maybe they're third. But the team that they're versing is first. So, woo, it's gonna be a good game.
So you guys, bear with us. We'll try to get as much as we can without getting excited and then the camera goes shaky. But yeah, we'll try to get as much as we can of the game.
But guys, look at Lenny.
Just being great.
And then look at my other nephew here.
Here he is. It's been great. Okay.
What number is 14?
Yes, man! Yeah, dudes! Come out, come out! Go, 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 go! Go belly, go belly! Yes. Yeah! Hey, put your hand up!
So, Endeavour Hills is down.
Guys,
Very tough game. The boys are giving it their best, but unfortunately it's not enough. But they still got quite a bit of the second half to do. So. Come on, come on, come on.
yeah!
On him! Come on! Well! Come on, move! Come on! With my brothers! Go, dudes!
Let's go, Endeavour!
Hold it! Hold it! Go!
From 5 points. Take your time.
Got it, Jay, you got it! No, come on, man, come on! Oh, son!
Oh, okay, fam. Bruh, it's so intense right now. So intense right now. Nathan, what is happening?
Oh, so right now, game is 24-23.
No, but what? Like, what was it before?
It was just crazy, you know, just crazy! Come on, come on. Take it easy, Tuxx. Let's go!
Let's go! Let's just charge the circle, man.
The boys! Belly! Build it! Yeah! Alright, let's do this song right now, boys. Shot, boys! Ripped it! Boysies! Sing that song loud, bro. Sing that song loud. Let's go, let's go. Hey, Rugby, right? boy. Let's go. Let's go. The boys.
Pass the left one, pass the left right in the middle. Back ya! Hey, hey! Oh! That's it.
Shot, fellas. Shot, youngie. Runner.
Siate maji. Não sou mapa. Não somos.
What I want to say is, I just said with one of the unicorns guys that I know, we were lucky. And turned around and said, hey, you're lucky. It's all about the self-belief and everything that you guys encourage your boys to believe in yourselves, share. That's what won you the game. So, I don't get emotional. I know how much it's meant to the club to beat these guys. And the fact that we've taken on the top two teams wins and now unicorns. And I guess the fashion that you've done it as well, supporters backing us as well, is something for us to be proud of. Words. And, I guess to our boys, we've got the away games screwed off our back. And what a game it's like. So just seeing the goddamn side. Let's go!
We are the Eagles, the mighty, mighty Eagles, never gonna fold under pressure. We never lie. I got my brothers back, play my heart and soul for his man. We are the Eagles, the mighty, mighty Eagles, never gonna fold under pressure. We never lie. I got my brothers back, play my heart and soul for his man. We are the Eagles, the mighty, mighty Eagles, never gonna fold under pressure. We never lie. I got my brothers back, play my heart and soul for his man. We are the Eagles, the mighty, mighty Eagles, never gonna fold under pressure. We never lie. I got my brothers back, I play my heart and soul for his man. Never, forever, never, forever, never.
Hi, Dad.
Hello. Hello.
Ada tiếng mà. Oh, mày.
Come on.
How you feeling today? Not too good. You reckon this week your pain went worse than last week? Do you want anything to eat? Anything? What about those prawn chips? Remember what we used to eat at? What about what did Mum use? Bongo?
Okay.
Yeah, from Samoa. They sell it at Coles. No. So hard because you don't want to eat. Yes, she